Alright, so I just did my brows off camera. I added a watch in there, a nice sling bag for the day, and also carrying a scrunchie. It's just perfect. So now it's time to transition into some evening glam in 3, 2, 1. Hola beauties, welcome to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. My name is Gurishq and today I'll be guiding you on how to create a soft dewy daytime look and then convert the same look into a grungy sexy date night look. So if you want to know how I do that, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna prep my lips with a lip balm to begin with, using the one in the variant Pina Colada. And as we have a long day ahead, I'm going to use the Face Forward Primer Stick to prime my face. So what it does is it gives the skin like a soft focus effect with like a visible soft blur, and I really like it. It also, keeps the unnecessary oils at bay so you don't get overly shiny throughout the day. I don't want the face to look cakey throughout the day, so I'm just gonna skip foundation altogether and go ahead with the Magic Wand concealer. And also this is a pretty full coverage and very high coverage concealer, so I'm gonna use it very sparingly, only in places where I require. So I just dipped into the concealer like once and just spread it all across my face, and that's pretty much it. You don't require a lot, trust me. And for my under eyes, I'm going to take a smaller concealer brush like this and buff that all in. I'm also going to take the excess and just cover the eyelid as well. So my under eyes crease very quick, so I'm just going to go ahead and set it with some powder. So I did not set my entire face because I'm going to use a cream contour and a cream blush today because I feel like doing like a dewy creamy base. And for the contour, I'm going to use the Sugar Face Forward stick in the shade Fawn First. Again, it's very creamy, so just going to sparingly add a little wherever required. Use the same foundation brush to blend in the cream contour. That's a lot more natural, if you may. And yeah, I like to place my contour pretty high up my cheekbone so that it gives me this nice uplifted look. Always blend your jaw contour downwards and your cheek contour upwards. And the forehead contour into the hairline. And onto my favorite step, that is adding some blush. So I'm going to use this cream blush in the shade Coral Climax. I'm actually going to rub it on the back of my hand like so, and then pick up with these like 2 fingers, ignore the missing nail please, and warm it up a little, pick it up on my fingers and tap it on my cheeks. Just blend it in with the contour. I love this cream blush so much. It stays on for a while, gives the cheeks like a very healthy luminous flush. Before adding in the highlighter, I'm going to mist my face with the highlighting mist. I'm going to take the face palette in the variant Subtle Summit and pick up that highlighter shade and add very sparingly, only on the high points of my face. Remember, we're going to be out in the bright daylight, so you don't want something that's super overpowering. Just go into the soft highlight for the day. Also going to take that underneath my brow bone. And from the same palette, I'm going to pick this blush shade on a fluffy eyeshadow brush and just add some color in the crease, just a little something in there, and not really an intricate eye look, just a hint of pink all over. Alright, so now I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm using the latest launch by Sugar. It's the Lash of Titans mascara. It seems lovely everywhere I've seen on Instagram, but I've not really tried it yet, so it's also the first time I'm going to use this mascara. Dude, this mascara is something worth trying. Like, just look at my lashes. I'm impressed. I'm duly impressed, Sugar. But my clumsy self did mess up the upper lash line a little. So I'm just gonna tightline that using the Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl. It's in the shade Black Magic, and slightly smudge it out. I'm not gonna wing it out, just apply it and slightly smudge it out. Also, if you're not a kajal or eyeliner person, you can completely skip this step and just go with mascara, provided you apply it neatly, unlike me. And next up, I'm going to top it off with a liquid lipstick. I'm going to use the Smudge Me Not in the shade Rose Repose. So I love a popping lip, be it day or night, so I picked up this, nice and popping pink shade. It's not too overwhelming, yet it's nice and bright, and I really like it. However, if you're more of a nude lip person, you can definitely go for something that's a little more subdued, but I'm loving this lip. And I almost forgot to do my brows totally, but brow structure your face, so do not miss doing your brows. I'm going to use the Arch Arrival Brow. It's in this shade Jerry Brown, and I'm going to use this brow powder to fill in my brows real quick. Alright, so I just did my brows off camera. I added a watch in there, a nice sling bag for the day, and also carrying a scrunchie. So it comes handy if I want to tie my hair in between, or moreover, scrunchie is like more of an accessory for me. So that's my casual day look for today. So according to me, this is the perfect college slash brunch slash lunch date look. It's just perfect for the daytime. The lip kind of draws the attention. The skin is nice and clean and minimal, and paired with this minimal outfit and open hair, it's just perfect. I love it. And also, I'm getting a little late for college, so see you guys later. Alrighty, so now it's time to transition into some evening glam. And first things first, change of outfit and hair in 3, 2, 1. And done. So I tied my hair up in a tight high ponytail, wore this classy shirt, I consider it classy duh, and also paired it with a nice grungy neck piece. It's nice and gold, goes with my shirt, and wearing the same watch from the morning, also an Evil's Eye bracelet. So to begin the transformation, I'm going to start with amping up my eyes, and for that I'm going to use the Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette. It's in the variant 01, and pick up that warm orange shade, and I'm going to add that in my outer corner, a slightly winged out shape. Now I'm going to take the palette in the variant 02 Warrior and pick this black and brown shade, mix it on my precision blending brush. And with that, I'm going to intensify the kajal that has already been smoked out. So I'm just going to intensify that and actually place the shadow in a similar wing shape. So you got to go back and forth with your brushes till you achieve the desired smokiness in the end. Right, so I'm satisfied with the blend. I'm gonna go off camera and pop on some falsies, then we'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back and the lashes are on. This hair updo, I feel I need a little more bronziness on my face, especially near my hairline. I'll need a lot more of bronziness going on. So I'm gonna use the Sugar Contour Face Palette and pick up that contour shade and really bronze up my forehead. And just pushing the product back into my hairline. Also gonna hit the cheekbone and the general contour areas slightly since it's a nighttime glam. And also gonna amp up on the blush and highlighter a little. Place the blush more towards the outer cheek and connect it to the temple. And lastly, I'm going to switch up that lip. So for my lip, I'm going to use the Matte as Hell crayon in the shade Rachel Berry first. And that's my nighttime glam for tonight. And that's all I got for you today. I'm living for this night glam. Just take me somewhere. Oh my lord. I really love this nice bold lip and like the smoky eyeliner kind of a situation going on. I love it. Also guys, if you like today's look, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and be a part of the family, and do let us know in the comments below if you like today's look and you want to recreate it, and if you do not forget to tag me and Sugar Cosmetics. Would love to see your recreations, and thank you so much for tuning in, dolls. Goodbye for today.